Hey guys, quick update on the shed build. A windy day here in Devon. Let's go and have a look. So the windows are in, and as you can see, they're a bit warped on the edges. See, look, no gap. Oh, there's a bit of a gap there. I think that timber must be twisted. We'll have a look at that again inside. So normally I think what they do to fix these on the inside, you take out the little seal strips, take out the unit, and then you screw in through the inside into the wood. Now what I've done, I've just screwed, you see that? Come on, focus you swine. That's it. So I've screwed up through here with some carefully selected screws. You don't want them too long because otherwise they'll poke through and maybe shatter the glass. So screw length is quite important if you're going to do it that way. So I've put probably about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws in around the edges. If you just offer your screw up to the edge like that, and then you'll be able to see how far it goes into the edge of the frame, and it only really needs just to go in a tiny bit to stop it going in and out. Okay, so let's go inside and have a look. Oh shit! Let's go inside and have a look what's going on. Sorry about the expletives. Yeah, so the framework was what goes around the windows first, and then you not box in, then you put your OSB on the top of that. So this is the 12mm stuff, I think, for the walls, the thinner stuff anyway. And yeah, so there's actually less to see in here now because it's nearing completion. So I've just put in this piece of the ceiling, which is again the thinner OSB, 12mm or 11mm or something like that, not the 18mm stuff. And in order to support it, you have to add in some extra cross pieces. Now on the other side of this OSB here, which is the roof, 18mm stuff, is your membrane for the roof. So you have to be very careful not to put any screws through there, otherwise you'll have a hole in your membrane and water in your office. So be careful. As you can see, all these screws here go sideways into these timbers and not up into the roof, which would be disastrous. So and you don't have to use, you could just put little offcuts in there here and there. Probably not the proper way to do it, but every 1.5 feet or something, and then you can put a screw through the roof, this thinner stuff, when you've held it up there, and off you go. You see, I put a little black mark here. That's when I've got the roof sheet